What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If you haven't yet, subscribe to your boy. So today I got some LEDs for the halos. The last video was for the fog lights, but I got some for the halos because I have this little issue going on with them. They keep flickering and I don't know, the wiring's kind of messed up. So let me show y'all. These are the new ones right here. Looks like they're gonna have a more light output because he's got like more little LED squares in them. I'll show y'all my other ones I got in there right now, but these have 2 ballasts and I think 1 less connection that I gotta do. The other one's got like some weird 3-4 connections. I think that's why it messes up. But hopefully these are nice and bright and they're a little bit more white than the ones I got now. Also, before I forget, I will have the link to these bulbs in the description down below if y'all end up liking them or anything like that. Alright, so these right here, these are the old ones. I know it's like kind of day outside and whatnot, but they're on. I don't know if y'all could tell, but they kind of look beigeish. They're a little bit more white in person, but it's kind of weird that they're working right now because they never work. Like there's always, this one's usually always out. Let me show y'all though, like, let me grab, where's the wiring at? Like watch. I start messing with the wiring, boop, you see it went out. Well, let's see if I leave it. Look at that, I threw it right back in, it came back on. Some weird stuff going on. I narrowed down the problem to like, it messes up right here. Like, you see that? See that weird stuff right there? Just keep going on and off because of this one spot. But when I bought this car, like, see all this stuff right here? Like, none of this is me. All this, like, the car owner before me, they had all this, and look at that. Like, see how weird that is right there? Like, I wouldn't do that. There's some weird stuff right there. The only thing I did to these headlights was I changed the lens to make this corner right here. It was amber, now I got it clear. That's the only thing I did. I didn't add these halo bulbs or anything like that. But what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to put the new bulb in this one and then keep that one. That's the old one right now. So the new one's gonna go in here and see if I see any difference. I'll show y'all when I take out that bulb what it looks like. This is for y'all to just get a little idea. This is the old bulb that was in, and these are the new ones. And like you can see, like I think this one's gonna be a brighter output because it's got more like LED bulbs in it. But we're about to see right now. I don't know if they're really that different. This one on this side looks a little bit more white than this one does. But this one kind of looks brighter than that one. But then again, it's daytime. So I'll just leave it for this. I'll wait till it's nighttime to really see the difference. I do notice that this bulb, it has like, it's more closed in the middle versus this bulb, it's more like open. I don't know if that really matters on like the light output, but that could be it. Another thing too is like these bulbs, they just came in like this little foam piece. They didn't come in like a box or anything. Kind of weird. Would have liked it in a box. Came like this and literally just like a little mail packet over it. Like, you know how regular USPS mail comes in. And if anyone's really following this build, I mean, I don't know if it's really a build anymore, but what I ended up doing recently, changed the emblems right here. This one in the rear and the trunk, OEM. And I also did the hood one. I just went to BMW and I bought the front and the trunk with the grommets. Engine bay, I haven't done anything. Just probably like an oil change, really it. And for the wheels, I just changed the center cap. Reason why I changed the center caps like that is because these I had before, and you could tell like this is all messed up, yellowish. It's got these white spots on it. But this one got like gel, it has like a gel thing on it. This one doesn't, there's no gel. It's like more of like the OEM kind. And then for this emblem on the trunk and also on the hood, this is the one that looked like before. This one's not that bad. This one has like that gel to it too. But the front one was terrible. It was just like the center caps all yellowed out, nasty with the gel. These are just OEM. Reason why this is white and blue and my center caps are white and black. I was gonna change this, the blue to the black, but I just decided to do the blue. But I had already ordered these, so I was just like, F it, I'll just put them on anyways. But yeah, this is how the car's sitting right now. Sitting pretty clean. This car is pretty nasty. Alright y'all, so it's obviously nighttime outside. Let's go see these lights real quick. Alright, so these are the lights. The camera, yeah, it kind of picks it up a little bit. I can see it in person. But the ones on this side, they're more white. And then these are the old ones. Those are the new ones. Then the ones on this side, they're kind of more beige-ish. In a way, these look brighter, but these are still pretty bright. I think I'm gonna stick with these new ones because they are more on the white side. Yeah, kind of any angle you really look at it, this one's a bit more white than that one. Alright y'all, so I decided to put both bulbs in, and so these right now are the new bulbs. And I'm gonna put my fogs on now. Alright, so that's with the fog lights. In person it matches now. Now it matches the fog lights and the halos. I don't know why it looks a little different on camera. Like these are a little bit more beige-ish, but I don't know. And that's just with everything on now. So all the lights are on now, besides the high beams. I just want to give y'all a quick little tip. When you deal with like plug and play stuff with electrical light bulbs, anything like that, use this thing called dielectric grease. It helps out with like loose connection. I don't know if y'all see that, but it's like in there. It's kind of like gooey, but you just get it around those pins. I'll probably use something like this to just get it around easier, and it should help you out. Again, I'll have the link down in the description below if y'all end up liking these bulbs. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if it was helpful for y'all, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to your boy, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.